this guide, I'm going to show you the best graphic settings here in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To start, go ahead and hit this settings wheel up at the very top and go into your graphics tab. What I recommend doing first is running this little benchmark tool to test to see how your current FPS is, and after I go through these settings, go ahead and run the benchmark tool again to see how these changes do affect your FPS, to decide really if it is worth changing all of these to make your graphics look as good as possible. But to start, we're going to go in this display mode section right here and choose something like full screen or full screen borderless. Test both out, because performance can vary. Just make sure the game is running on your correct monitor and that your display adapter should always be your main GPU. Mine is set to my 4070 Ti Super, so that's what it shows right here. From here, scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is the NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency section. Go ahead and make sure this is set to on or on plus boost. Either one works. But for the power saving options, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure this says efficiency, never use low consumption if you want high FPS. Turn VSync off and then scroll down to the reduce menu render resolution and go ahead and leave this on optimal. HDR is optional based on your monitor as well. That's kind of up to you. But from here, go into your quality tab, and if you want the highest FPS possible, go ahead and set the graphic preset to minimum. This is going to set all of the settings to their lowest values for the biggest performance boost. But if you don't want the game to look too low quality, put it on something like basic or balanced instead. I recommend keeping the texture resolution on high, even on mid-tier PCs, just because it does help with visibilities. Enemies are going to be a lot easier to see, and everything else can be medium or low, especially that environment quality section. Your field of view is going to be in your view section. I personally use 110, but higher FOV can lower your FPS slightly. If you do want more performance, try lowering it just a little bit. And finally, all you have to do, and this is in this little camera section, is turn off weapon motion blur and world motion blur. This is going to give you a cleaner, sharper image, but that is it. Once again, make sure you're running the benchmark tool after just to see how this does affect your FPS. But if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.